everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the heart of Suwanee, Georgia at the Suwanee Festival. They have all types of things going on. They have food, fun for the kids, arts and crafts. So we have a lot to unpack today. So let's take a look. Let's go around and see what they have.
Fresh herbs, has fresh roasted garlic, parsley, turmeric, tarragon, and basil all infused. So that's what it looks like in the jar. It's all fresh chopped organic, that lemon is on the preservative. It's on steaks, chicken, seafood, pasta, vegetables, salads, eggs, sandwiches, goes on everything in the same room.
Somewhere just beyond my reach, there's someone reaching back for me. Oh, racing on the thunder and rising with the heat. Isn't there a Superman to sweep me off my feet? I need a hero, holding out for a hero till the morning light. He's gotta be strong, he's gotta be fast.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. It's been a lot of fun. I saw a lot of different vendors. I got a chance to get some good fresh lemonade. And I think I'll be back next year. This is my first time coming and I really enjoyed it. So if you like this video, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.